Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today I'll discuss about uninstall Microsoft apps in Windows 11 via Start menu. Perhaps the simplest way to uninstall perhaps the simplest way to uninstall Microsoft apps in to do it from the Start menu. Is it from the Start menu. Step on select the Start menu. The Start menu. Find the app you want to delete. Find the app you want to delete. Right click on it. Right click on it and select uninstall and select uninstall. Step 2, Windows will ask you to confirm that you want to confirm that you want to uninstall it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.